was just a lie. They said you were high class. Well, that was just a lie. Well, you ain't never gonna rap, so you ain't no friend of mine. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all time. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. Well, you ain't never called a rap, so you ain't no friend of mine. Come on. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. No, no. Well, you ain't never called a rap, so you ain't no friend of mine. Oh boy. They said you were high class. Well, that was just a lie. They said you were high class. Well, that was just a lie. Well, you ain't never called a rap, so you ain't no friend of mine. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. Well, you ain't never called a rabbit, so you ain't no friend of mine.
Thank you. Well done, Sam. Kenny, what did you think of Sam's performance tonight?
I think this is really out of your comfort zone. You're used to sort of like musical theatre, standing there, just doing your voice. So the fact that you actually had to pick a song, that you had to move, and you did move, you know, you did make the use of the stage. Next time, if you sing an Elvis song, I want to see you more confident. I want to see you come out and chuck some pelvic thrusts in there, do you know what I mean? Swing your arms, really get into the song, because you've got the voice, you really have. And I think it's just a confidence issue. I liked how you played with the melody in certain places and made it yours. I think we just need to work on bringing Sam to the stage next time. But I thoroughly love Elvis, so I love that performance. Well done.
Zoe?
Yeah, that was a really contagious performance. Like, we were all feeling the energy then, and I loved that. Your vibrato in that was really lovely, and you controlled all of the vocals really well. Like, it was really well controlled. It was lovely to watch you like proper in the zone and feeling the music and doing all like the guitars and stuff. I loved that. And I liked the little changes you made in the melodies. They were lovely. I just wish you chucked in a bit more of them to make it more Sam. But other than that, I thoroughly enjoyed that. Well done.
Louise?
Yes, Sam, this is way out of your comfort zone. It's not the best choice, if I'm honest. It's a club song. You know, you might go down well in a workman's club. But I think it was good for you to come out here and just put yourself out there, because I know that it's not something you'd normally do. I did write down, don't be afraid to be less clean. Now, your background is kind of classical musical theatre, like all things like that. So don't be afraid to rock it up. You know, it was very clean. You ain't nothing but a hound dog. Like, don't be afraid to like give it a bit of welly, do you know what I mean? But I thought it was a good performance. And also you had loads of instrumental. Don't be afraid to fill in the gaps either. Like, just add your own twist on it. Chuck in a couple of woos and ahs. Woos and ahs. But yeah, I thought overall, considering it's not your normal go-to type of song, I thought you did really well. Well done, babe.
Sam, yeah, from my perspective, I definitely don't think it was the right choice, 100%. And I know it's a challenge, but there could have been a billion up-tempo songs. The worst thing about it, like for me, it was very uncomfortable to watch. And I'll tell you why it was uncomfortable. It was because you picked a song that had two huge instrumentals. And you stood there and was really nervous. So this, to me, was the most nervous I've seen you this season so far. So you weren't clever thinking about the choices, because if you thought about it, you would have thought, right, I got two long instrumentals, what am I going to do? I'm not just going to stand in and shut my eyes like that. That's what I saw. You know, so just be a bit more prepared when you're picking your choices, because I don't think, even vocally, I mean, just the vocals alone, it weren't the right choice. But in terms of the performance, you put yourself in the deep end really, because you picked a song with 2 long instrumentals and you had to try and fill it then. You had to perform more. So we got to see less performance from you on an up-tempo week, you know? But it's all a learning curve. It's all learning. We know what you're all capable of. So just learn from it, but really, really think out your choices and how many gaps are in there, and if you're able to fill them as a performance, all right? Well done, buddy. Round of applause for Sam, guys.
Apply now at www.musicwales.org.